Alright, so before we take the car to Carmax, we got to get all these pine needles out from underneath the hood. I rallied the whole family together to give the whole car a nice wash and a wax. Had the boys inside vacuuming. We were just cleaning up the whole outside just so that the car would present as good as it can for Carmax. We actually did take it to the Mercedes dealer first, but we ultimately sold the car to Carmax. Okay, this car looks way better. All those pine needles are out, but the wind is blowing pretty hard and this tree keeps dumping them. So the whole car looks a lot cleaner. So imagine this right here was just completely matte and actually had like a white haze to it. Now, can't even tell. The whole car is pretty well ready. Armor all the tires a little bit. Whole back is looking pretty good. So I think we're just gonna clean the windows, but she's ready to move along. So before we head over to Carmax, I thought I would show you what we sold the intake for. We sold it on eBay. We sold it for $435 minus fees and all of that. Came out to $386.46. So not too bad for a used intake that would have gotten me no extra money selling it to Carmax. Alright, so we're here at Carmax. We just came from the Mercedes dealer and they would not honor the price that they did online. Their online price was $20,000. They said they would pay for it. Which is right. I don't know if you can see it, but they said they would pay $20,000. When we got there, they went through their whole inspection, couldn't point out anything wrong, but they said that they would only pay us $18,000. Then when we said, okay, we're just going to go to Carmax, then they offered $18,500. A lot of game playing, and then on top of that, the difference that we owe on the car, that we finance compared to what it's valued, they said they would just mail us a check eventually. At Carmax, they're going to pay us more, and they're going to cut us a check today. So definitely a better option. Alright, we're all done. Got my check for the difference. Now, I really don't think that we would have made any of this money if there wasn't the pandemic and the supply chain issues and stuff like that. But since the world changed, I don't need an extra car. So this is the end of it. Definitely go to Carmax. I probably could have made more money if I would have gone to a private seller, but private sellers, if you haven't sold anything to a private seller and you still owe on it, so you don't actually have the pink slip if you're in California, it's just a lot more complicated. You have to let them know you're going to get it later in the mail, and it's just kind of a whole hassle. And the other very sweet thing about this is I have a check today that I can go deposit in the bank. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Also, check out the playlist, and we will be listing more videos every week.